In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, Locusta is known for its gregarious behavior, that is, the tendency of certain species to form groups or swarms, often resulting in large-scale agricultural damage. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, echinoderms, such as starfish, sea urchins, exhibit radial symmetry, that is, when any plane passing through the central axis divides the body of an organism into two equal halves, and they exhibit this symmetry in adult condition. But their larvae display bilateral symmetry. That is when the body can be divided into two identical halves in only one plane. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, scorpions are arachnids which are known for their respiratory organ called book lungs. And these structures consist of thin, highly folded membranes which resembles the pages of a book, and they facilitate gaseous exchange between the scorpion's body and the surrounding environment. Thus, C matches with 2. Now, ctenophores, also known as comb jellies, are marine animals which are characterized by their bioluminescent capabilities, that is, the generation and release of light by living organisms via biochemical process. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option D.